Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car of the 320D Msport Xdrive Saloon. It's presented in Alpine White, and alongside that we've also fitted a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. And we've also upgraded the alloy wheels from the 18-inch Msport alloys to the optional extra 442M alloys that we've had fully refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. You'll see there behind the wheels that we've got the Msport Plus brakes on this car, and also with the full BMW Msport Plus package. At the front of the car, it's a 2016 66 reg alongside the very nice BMW LED headlamps. Down the side of the vehicle, you'll see the sun protection glazing, again thanks to that BMW Msport Plus package. We've added the satin side vinyls and matching sidebars to the vehicle, and of course that Alpine White does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at your next car, alongside the very nice highlight black Dakota leather seats it does come equipped with. So in there you'll be able to see again how clean and tidy this vehicle is on the interior, alongside these very special highlight seats that are personally one of my favourite designs within the BMW interior range. And again, we've also got the heated and electric lumbar options, Harman Kardon surround sound. As you can see there, we've also got that 8-speed sports automatic gearbox combined with that fantastic intelligent Xdrive 4-wheel drive system. In the rear seat, you do of course get an ISOFIX rear bench, a centre folding armrest, and the lovely darkened Msport headlining. And once again, everything is exceptionally clean and tidy, and of course having that privacy glass really does give a very nice element and a different ambience to the rear interior. Again, showing you off the freshly refurbished alloys that come all the way around with the premium run flat tyres. At the back of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a matching rear diffuser, and of course there you'll see that Xdrive badging once again. And although it does of course have that intelligent 4-wheel drive system underneath the car, we don't lose anything away from our boot space or anything from our rear passenger space either, which is of course always a very big plus point for anything within the BMW range that features that Xdrive system. Round at the other side of the car, we've got, again, can show you off how nicely presented this 320D is, alongside how well it works with everything we've added to the vehicle in combination with those very nice alloy wheels. Again, we'll give you one last close-up look at those before I head on inside the car, just to talk yourselves through a couple of the major talking points and features of this very nicely spec'd 3 Series. So once we're sat comfortably, first of all, we'll run yourselves through the BMW business navigation and media screen. And we'll also take a look at the dual climate control, which is also where we find our switches for the heated seats. So the first screen to take a look at is the satellite navigation. We've also got Bluetooth audio and telephone, and we've of course also got DAB along with a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. Including in the external devices is where you'll find the USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX inputs. Going back across to the lovely multifunction Msport steering wheel, you will of course see the flappy pedals for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, alongside cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on there as well. The car itself's covered 49,976 miles, so again a nice mileage example of a 320D. There again you can see that Bluetooth screen now open. Going to the very main menu, we'll go ahead and quickly check out the service requirements and service history for this car. The next service is not due until 5,000 miles time, and we have got full BMW service history once again for this stunning car. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. For any further information, please remember that into the description you'll find a link to our website. There you can check out funding options, prices, along with a wide array of other inputs as well. Alongside that, you'll also find direct contact details for ourselves here at your next car. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and goodbye.